Hello everyone. Today we will make this project. This is the mammals characteristics. In our lessons we learn about the vertebrates and invertebrate animals, and we said we have five kind of vertebrate animals. One of them are mammals. So this is our project we have to make at home. So I will show how you will make it. You need of course glue, scissor and pencil. So firstly, we have to cut from the solid lines. This is the solid line. It doesn't have a dot. And these dot lines for folding. So let me show you. So I'm going to cut around the solid lines. Let's cut it together. Around the solid lines. Cut it nice because if you don't want to have a problem with folding, you have to cut it from the solid line. Cut. Okay, now we've got another solid line here. We have to cut it like this between the animals. Okay, after that we will fold them from these dot lines. I will turn it, and firstly I will fold here. It says mammals characteristics. So we know the characteristic about breathing, about the appearance, and also about their birth, and also about their babies. So this is how it looks. After that, we've got an information about the birth, the breathing, and the babies. So let's find which information goes under the characteristics. Okay, so I'm underlining the birth. So this is going under the birth information, babies. No, here, birth information. Mammals live birth. So we are putting this birth information under the birth characteristic. So let's cut it. Okay, mammals give live birth. Okay, so now I need a glue. I put a glue and then stick under the bird like this. Let's look at the next one. Here we find the babies information, and it will go under the babies. Mammal babies drink milk from their mothers. So I cut this information, and then of course I am going to stick this under the baby's part. Okay, the next one is of course about the breathing. How do they breathe? Mammals breathe air with their lungs. How do they? Breathing with their lungs. Okay, so I put this information under the breathing. And the last one, appearance. And of course we know their fur and the hair. So what's the information? Mammals have skin that is covered by fur or hair. They are usually hairy. So as you can see, we can see the mammals characteristic. So how do they have a birth? I open it. Mammals give live birth. What about the babies? Mammals babies drink milk from their mothers. What about breathing? Mammals breathe air with their lungs. So when we open all these parts, we can see the information about the mammals. Thanks for watching. See you.